Hello, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to get your home care agency license in the state of Illinois. So let's dive in here. Alrighty, so this is a step-by-step guide. It's an overview on how to get your home care agency license in the state of Illinois. I'm just going to jump in here. So first off, you do want to determine the type of license that you need, whether that's home health, home services like personal home care, or home nursing services. It is very important that you decide on which one that is. By the way, with my program at Home Care Agency Blueprint, we can help you decide on exactly what you need as far as not just for the license, but we can help you decide on which category of care that you want to provide in. And for those of you that do not know what my program is about, it is a coaching program that is designed to help you start and grow and scale your very own home care business. And then there's of course like an initial licensing application. This is with the Illinois Department of Public Health. Their website looks like this, and this is just basically Illinois Department of Public Health, and I typed in home care agency license and this is where it brought me. Now there's an initial application. When you click here, it looks like this. And there's just general information. I do want to go over though. So in regards to the licensing fee, it is $25 for a single license. It does get a little confusing because it said something about $1,500, but that's for a home nursing agency. If you're doing just basically a single home care license, it looks like actually for home health it's $25, and then for home services it's $1,500. So I guess the fees are just a little different. For like home services placement agency, it's $500. So for a non-medical home care agency, it is $1,500. For some reason that they have it a lot cheaper, $25 for just a single home health license. And then in regards to the rest of the application, you do need to make sure that you fill all of this when it comes to the agency name, if there's a doing business as, and who, like the ownership, is it basically a for-profit, what the legal entity name is. And in Home Care Agency Blueprint, our coaching program, we help you incorporate on some of our packages. We do all of that for you. We identify your agency name and file the incorporation, so you already will have all this information. Stockholder information, that's for corporations only. So if you are an S corporation or just a regular corporation, you must fill this out. And then if there's multiple members, you want to be sure to, anyone with over 5% of common stock needs to fill this out. And then, whoever is president, vice president, that's actually optional. But the main ones are president, secretary, and treasurer. These are also filled out in the incorporation documents. These three things, you'll be filling those out. It's okay for one person to be all three, if it's just you starting out. And then, so this is just basically all in home health. To fill this out, the service area, it says here like recommended initial licenses to start with 3 to 5 counties. And then also there is a background check that goes along with this, and you do need to, as the owner, get your proper background check. And also there is an on-site survey that the department will conduct. So the other thing is it takes around 6 months to get a license in Illinois. So just that's something to take in consideration when applying for this. With Home Care Agency Blueprint, working with us, we do talk about how we can launch your agency in under 30 days. And that essentially means that we can set up the infrastructure and all the processes and softwares and everything for your business to fully operate in under 30 days. And then there's a waiting time to wait to get your license totally approved. And then like some other considerations to think about are, you know, are you going to do an LLC, an S corporation, even developing your business plan, ensure that you have enough capital to run the business for at least 6 months to cover like startup and operational costs. So yeah, that's basically a quick overview of getting your home care agency license in Illinois. I will run through the rest of the application quickly here. The rest of this stuff is like pretty straightforward on filling out. A lot of it integrates home health with non-medical, and you know, we're here to help you assist in filling this out and making sure that it's accurate and complete. Here's like basically it's like a criminal record statement. This is you stating that you don't have any like felonies or criminal offenses. You know, to own an agency, obviously you can't have stuff on your background. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. So it's all doable. If you're looking at doing your own home care agency, definitely there's a link in the description below to book a call with me, and you can check that out, and I can have a conversation with you on how to start up your very own home care business. So if you're looking to do that, alrighty. So that is a general overview on how to get your home care agency license in Illinois. It seems pretty straightforward. The pricing is a little confusing on the $2,500 versus $1,500. It's good budget for that $1,500 to get your license. It's at least not as bad as California. California is almost $6,000, and that's due every 2 years. So yeah, that's something that you know, if you're looking at starting up your own home care business, I am more than happy to have a conversation with you. Me and my team at Home Care Agency Blueprint can help out. And thanks for coming back to my video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.